Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Sign. First, understand that Zoho Sign is a robust digital signature solution designed to simplify your document processes. It allows individuals and businesses to send, sign, and manage documents securely and legally from virtually anywhere. This platform ensures authenticity and integrity for all your agreements, saving you valuable time and resources by eliminating paper-based signing. To send a document, begin by uploading your file, which can be a PDF, Word document, or other common formats. Next, specify your recipients and assign their roles, such as signer or approver. Then, easily drag and drop various fields onto the document, including signature blocks, date fields, and text boxes, ensuring all necessary information is captured. Finally, review and send the document with just one click. When it's time to sign, recipients will receive an email notification with a secure link to the document. They can then choose their preferred signing method, typing their name, drawing their signature, or uploading an image of their handwritten signature. The intuitive interface guides them through each required field, allowing them to complete the entire signing process quickly and efficiently in just a few moments. After signing, all your documents are securely stored and easily accessible within your Zoho Sign account. You can download detailed audit trails, which provide a complete history of all actions taken on the document, ensuring legal compliance and transparency. Additionally, the platform allows you to set up reminders for pending actions and track the real-time status of every document, giving you full control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.